This is the new Concierge from Kershaw. The Concierge is a simple, sleek design from Dmitry Sinkevich. It is designed to keep a low profile and has several considerations to make sure the knife never sticks out. The back flipper opener is smooth with a bearing pivot and quick action. The blade is 3.25 inches long and is made of D2 steel. It has a hollow ground edge and a drop point, and is stonewash finish for a nice clean look. The handle is made of brown micarta with a stainless steel liner lock. The entire pocket clip is recessed into the handle and the liners are perfectly flush with the scales. Click the link in the description and carry a little class with you with a Concierge from Kershaw. Hey, thanks for watching. This is a classy knife, and let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for new knife releases and overviews like this. You can also follow Blade HQ on social media and sign up for a newsletter down below. I'll see you in the next one.